Let's see how to create an Omniconvert Explore account, how to add a website, and how to add subaccounts for your teammates. On the Omniconvert webpage, go to Pricing, Explore, and start your free trial on the platform. Type your name, your email, choose a password, and agree to the T&C. Start your free trial. Great! And you are now on the first page of Omniconvert Explorer. Next up, you have to add your website, and that's where you're gonna do it. And choose what type of business you are in. For me, this is an e-commerce. Our teammate Anna Maria is greeting us, and she's here to help. So whenever you have a question, just click on the chat bubble and you can reach out. Great, this is it. You can begin your journey with Omniconvert Explorer. If you'd like to add a sub-account for your teammates to also use this product, you can just go to sub-accounts here, click on new sub-account. Let's see, I'm gonna add my teammate Anna, and I'm gonna add her email. And I'm gonna have to select a password for her. So I'm gonna have to remember it because I'm gonna have to let her know what the password is. I'm gonna need to select what type of access do I want to grant Anna to this account and to this website. So if you're gonna have multiple websites, you will have the option of selecting access for each of the websites. For now, I can select if I want her to have read-only access, or creator activator access, or full access. Full access will automatically enable billing as well. I want to give Anna full access, so this is what I'm choosing. And I'm gonna click on save. Now, there's one thing that you could do if you forgot what Anna's password is, and that is to just give her the option from the very beginning to have a password reset. So what she'd need to do, I'm gonna close this window and log out. What she'd need to do is go on web.omniconvert.com and then click on I lost my credentials. Just put her email address in here, send a recover password, and that's it.